Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's find the password and security. Now let's tap on System Security, and here we have to scroll down in order to find credential storage. Let's tap on it. As you can see, at the bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this option, this information, but this option is also inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.